Hello students, good morning. This is exercise solution discussion for the chapter computer system. So first section of your exercise is fill in the blanks. Students, there are five words are given. So you have to fill the blanks by using these words. First is the computer process the data electronically, and second is CPU is also known as the brain of the computer, and third is bits is the smallest data storage unit, and fourth is speakers are used to output sound, and next is anything that can be stored electronically is data. And next section of your exercise is write T for true and F for false for the following statement. Students, you have to mark T for the correct statement and F for the incorrect statement. Let's see how you do these types of question. Question number first: the information stored in the RAM is erased when the computer is turned off. Students, uh, given statement is correct, so you have to mark T within the block. And next is the primary memory cannot be processed directly by the CPU. This statement is false, students, so you have to mark F for the statement. And next is motherboard is the foundation of any computer. Yes, students, this statement is correct, so you have to mark T for this statement. And next is only hardware is necessary for a computer to do the job. Students, this statement is incorrect just because of hardware and software are necessary for a computer to do the job. So students, you have to mark for this you have to mark F for this statement. And next is one ROM stands for read only memory. Yes, students, this is correct statement, so you have to mark T for this statement. And next question, next section that you will have to do. And next section is write one word for the following statements. Students, in this section you have to write down one words for the given statement. How will you do this type of question? Let's see. First is the storage unit, which is equivalent to 8 bits. The answer will be white. Okay, students, and next is the part of CPU which coordinates all the functions of the computer. Answer will be control unit. And next is it prints by it prints by spreading tiny droplets of ink onto paper. This is known as inkjet printer. And next is permanent memory, which stores control programs, read only memory. Next section of your exercise is short answer questions. And let's see, for your first question is define a computer system. So students, we will see what the answer of this question. A computer system is a machine that accepts data from user, process the data by performing calculations and operations on it, and generates the desired output as a result. Okay, students, and your next question is what is software? Let's see. It is a set of programs and procedure. Software tells hardware what to do and how to accomplish a task. And next question is, what is the difference between ROM and RAM? So students, there are two sections. One is for ROM and another is for RAM. And let's see, first is one, ROM stands for read-only memory and RAM stands for random access memory. And next statement for the ROM is a non-volatile memory that is permanently stores the file or data. And RAM is a volatile memory that temporarily store files or data. And your next question is, what are binary numbers? A binary number is a number expressed in the base 2 numeral system which uses only two symbols, typically 0 or 1. And next question is, what is secondary storage? Secondary storage is the slowest and the cheapest form of memory. It cannot be processed directly by the CPU. And next section of your exercise, students, long answer type question. What is the your first question is, what is the function of CPU and explain its components. Let's see students, what will be the answer of this question. The primarily functions of CPU are: the CPU transfers the instructions and input data from main memory to internal memory. And next function is, the CPU executes the instruction in stored sequence. And next is one, CPU transfers output data from internal memory to main memory. And now the components of a computer. Computer itself has the following three components. First is one, ALU, arithmetic logic unit. The function of this unit is to perform the arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, as well as logical operations such as comparing, selecting, matching, and merging of data. And next is one, control unit. The function of this unit is to control the operations of all parts of computer but does not carry out the actual data processing operations. And next is one, memory or storage unit. This unit can store the instruction, data, and intermediate results. This unit supplies information to other units of the computer when needed. And this is the block diagram of a computer system. This is input unit, memory unit, control unit, arithmetic logic unit, and this is output unit. So students, this is the overall block diagram of a computer system. And next question is, differentiate between RAM and ROM. Students, you have to students you have to do this question in a long answer type questions. So we will see. First section is for RAM and second section is for ROM. And first is RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read only memory. And the second is RAM is expensive and ROM is cheaper than RAM. And third is the speed of RAM is higher than ROM. And next is the speed of ROM is slower than RAM. And next is RAM is higher capacity of ROM and ROM has a lower capacity than RAM. And next is RAM is volatile memory that temporarily stores the data, and ROM is a non-volatile memory that permanently stores data. So students, the next section of your exercise is multiple choice questions. Students, here there are four options are given for the for each questions. You have to mark the correct option for given statement. First is one, it enables the users to hand draw images and graphics. So students, correct answer will be drawing tablet. And next is one, this is the processing unit or the brain of the computer. Correct option will be CPU. And this unit of CPU is responsible for all arithmetic and logical operations. So the correct option for this, students, ALU. And the next question is, this type of printers uses a print head that runs back and forth. Students, answer will be dot matrix. So students, this is all about your exercise solution discussion for chapter computer system.